Head performance. Born out of revolutionizing how we ski and play tennis, Head has constantly pushed athletic equipment into the modern era. For all levels of play, Head offers nothing but the best tennis equipment on the market. Great for beginners, Head Radical Junior tennis rackets are ideal for a range of youth players. The Radical 26 is great for kids ages 9 to 11 looking to take their game more seriously. Head light advantage. The youth tennis rackets have a head light balance which helps reduce vibration and aids in stability when hitting the ball. Built-in dampening. A unique damp plus insert isolates the ball impact for reduced vibrations and arm strain. A great choice for a comfortable kids tennis racket. Dimensions. Frame weight, 245 grams, 8.6 ounces, head size, 105 inches, grip size, 4 inches, length, 26 inches. Top reviews from the United States. 9-year-old new to tennis, super lightweight for easy learning. Based on my son's age, size, he is ready for a larger 25 or 26 tennis racket. But he is new to playing tennis and the longer the racket, the heavier. This racket is so lightweight that he can use a size 26, so I don't need to buy him a 25 now and a 26 in a year. I can't speak to this racket for a more experienced child, but at least for a beginner, he has used this racket for an hour straight lesson without complaining about needed a break for his arm, wrist. He also immediately started hitting better since the racket isn't dropping. Price is right and he can probably use this for several years now.